everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be redecorating my 2DS, and I did this before on my channel. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description. So this is what it looks like right now, and I really like it. It's supposed to be like a pink present, and I have these buttons on here, but the sticky tabs for the button where you use to move around, it kind of came off, so I'm going to try to find out what I can do with it. I think I used tape in the video, but later on I found some blue sticky tacky that works, so that was better. And I have some stickers here that I might want to use when I'm done, and I have this really cute Swirlix charm. So first I'm going to take my case off of my 2DS, and I used this the last time when I was customizing my 2DS, and I'll probably use it again. So now I'm going to start taking the front of the decal off from the corners. This one's really sticky, so I tried many different corners before I got the right one, since it's really stuck onto it. So now that I took the decal off, this is how it looks, and I still kept some of the decal on the start and select button because I kind of like the sparkle of this decal, but I want to see which one I would like more. So now I have to take off the back decal. So this is what my 2DS looks like. It's originally black and blue, but I wanted to make it pink. I know there is a pink 2DS, but I believe it's only Japanese only, and the 2DS, I don't believe it was region free, so I wouldn't be able to play any of my games that I have. So I decided that this is a good route you want to take if you want a pink 2DS but you don't have Japanese games. So now I have the front decal on, and I kind of messed up around the camera. It's a little creased, but I still think it looks nice. And I really like this pink color. I was hesitant to change from the other decal I had on it before because I really liked it. This one's really cute, so I'm happy that I did change. And I put some of the buttons back on, but I still need to put on the other buttons. I have to figure out what I'm going to use to stick it. So now I'm going to put the back decal on, and I really like how this is turning out. I really like this pink color. It's not like a loud pink or like a light pink. It's like a nice balance, like a soft baby pink, I guess. So I really like it. So this is how it looks all finished, and I really like it. I think I did better on the back than I did in the front, and I still have my pink stylus from last time. So now I'm going to pick out some stickers because I think some stickers would be nice to add it around. And I added this little paw thumb grip from my Switch, and as I said in my other video when I was customizing, I just put that on for like pictures and stuff because you can't really move it with that. I know I had some questions in the comments, but you can't move it with it because it wasn't made for it and it's too bulky, but it's cute if you just want to take a picture. So now I'm just going to pick out which stickers that I want to use because I think it will make it look really cute. And I have these stickers. I believe this is Bonbon Ribbon, and I always want to use them, but I really never find really something to use, like except on the video when I decorated my Switch Cinnamoroll theme. I believe I used a ribbon on top, but I have a lot of stickers here that are from crafting and stuff, so I'll probably find something I need. And I also have these mini foil stickers that came with my Sanrio pins, and I have those Pokemon stickers that I showed in a video. If you guys want to see that, I have a video about it, and I'll leave it in the description. And these Hello Kitty stickers are from my tiny pin. It's a necklace pin. So I finally decided which sticker I want to use, and I ended up with this Musical Dreamy sticker that came from my pin, and I really like it, and I think it fits perfectly with the pink. So now I'm going to use these pink cats that are from this sticker pack, and I really like it, and I think it fits perfectly with the pink. And I might use a couple stickers also in the back of my 2DS before I put the case back on, and I might put some at the top, but I kind of wanted just a couple of stickers, not too many of them. So I decided to put some in the back, and I'm using this Hello Kitty foil sticker, and I think it looks really nice, and I think I'm going to use some of the pink cat stickers. So now that I'm done picking out the stickers, I'm going to put the case on, and that's pretty much finished with my 2DS. And here is how it looks. It's really pink and cute. It has pink cat stickers on the front and in the back, and there's a Hello Kitty heart foil sticker and a Musical Dreamy heart foil sticker at the front, and I really like how it turned out. And I put the Swirlix charm onto my 2DS, and I think it adds some flair to it. So now I'm going to show you guys my home screen, and I really like the themes on the 2DS and the 3DS, and hopefully one day they'll allow you to have themes on Nintendo Switch, because I think that would be really cool. And I'll show you guys some of my badges. I made a video of what's on my 2DS, I believe, and if I didn't, I can make one. If you guys want me to, just let me know in the comments. But this is my theme that I have on, and here are a couple of my badges, if you can see. And here's the Oshawott one, and a couple of other ones that I have. And this is the pink thumb grip that I was talking about that I just put on for pictures, because you can't move it with it on it, but I still think it looks cute without it. And here are just some more of my badges and some of the games I have. Right now I have Pokemon White inside of my 2DS because I really love Black and White, as I say all the time. And I'm trying to finish the game again at the moment. But here is a closer look at my 2DS, and you can see Jirachi and Sylveon and a bunch of other Pokemon on there. There's Esper, I believe, and Gardevoir and Diancie. And those are some of my favorite Pokemon, so I really like that theme. So I believe I'm playing Pokemon Alpha Sapphire on this clip, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to make more videos. I'm still editing a bunch of them, since I have a little more time. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.